Perfect.
Perfect.
Why did I...
Right, whenever you guys are ready, we are.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm not sure that one.
Also, I need to stop looking at the camera when I go... for your replacement, took you no time.
Ready?
Savage. Yeah, I'm ready. I think you know, you just don't wanna be reminded, and I think it shows. You don't care to be divided. I can beg to be seen and heard, but I lost my trust when you could not keep your word. I was lost in what you were, I could not see. Your true colors make me see things differently. I gotta see you with fresh eyes, and now I see you in a different light, and I will come out of the other side. Now I've seen you with these fresh eyes. Hold my head high, making peace with all the changes. Took you no time, but I'm in no rush for your replacement. I can beg till the bare minimum, when I know deep down for me that you were not the one. Leading with my heart and not with my ego. Know what I deserve, it's time to let you go. I gotta see you with fresh eyes, and now I see you in a different light, and I will come out of the other side. Now I've seen you with these fresh eyes. Finally I see clearly, you were not the one for me. I loved you hard that I can't breathe. Gave more to you than you gave to me. Eventually I'll feel more free. Release the chains you hold on me. Although our time was short and sweet, I gave you love so selflessly. Love was lost and lessons learned. I don't deserve to feel this hurt. You know just what you meant to me. Refuse to change, act differently. I will never lose myself. No man is worth my mental health. I will never accept nothing less, because for now my eyes are fresh. Yeah, I gotta see you with fresh eyes, different light.